Do you know that you can use CapCut free version and still export the video using all the Pro features for free? In my free version of CapCut, I will first import some pictures. I will add some Pro features from the effects and from the transitions. Now, let me try to export it as we normally do it with CapCut. It won't let us export, saying that there are Pro features used in this project and asks us to join the Pro. But we don't need to. Once you finish editing your videos, select all of the items in the timeline and right-click, click on Create Compound Clip. Now, everything is grouped together. Again, right-click on it and click on Pre-Process Compound Clip. This will merge everything from the timeline into one single video and store it in our PC. Now let's find the clip. Go to the folder where CapCut is installed. We need to find the temporary folder where it stores temporary files. The merged or combined clip in the CapCut is stored here. This is the final video we will get after exporting it from CapCut. Here it is without exporting. So try it and tell me how helpful was it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.